Check. No, there we go. Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, what is that?
I have no note. Oh no, must be the
This is distorted channel.
All right. Okay, let's do vocals real quick. I'll check your vocal first.
Check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2, 1, 2, check. Check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2.
You hearing
Check.
yourself all right in the wedge?
Yeah.
Okay. Second vocal.
Check.
Hmm? You're all right in the wedge?
Yeah.
All right. Drum vocal.
Check 1, 2, check, 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 1,
Good in
2.
your wedge. You're gonna need more.
No, I think I'm fine.
All right. Let's start with kick then. Snare. Stand by 1 second. I have a patching issue on my end.
Okay. Eric, can you get me an agua? Thank you.
Hit the snare again. Round 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Stay on 5 for a second. Around the horn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll do. Whole kit. Give me just hum 4 for a second. 5. Stay on 5 again. There's just one more frequency in there that I want to get.
Alright.
Stay on 5 again. Okay, one more time. Great. Bass, please. Great. Electric guitar, please.
Distortion and clean.
Yep, distortion first. And can you just go back to your distortion channel for a moment? Leave it there for a second.
Is this what Metallica meant by that Marshall sound piercing through your ears?
You're not wrong. I'm just bringing it down a little bit with the gate, but it opens and closes now. I mean, it is what it is.
I usually kick off my distortion, in between songs and stuff, just to clear up noise.
Yep, that'll be helpful. Cool. If you guys want to do a song, I'll put it all together now. Thank you.
You guys want to do in and out?
Yes.
Thank base, really base heavy up here.
And that's just it's because of the subs underneath the deck. A lot
Yeah,
of that
yeah,
will get,
well, that-
that'll get chewed up a little bit under,
Okay.
during the show.
Yeah.
But I can definitely.
Yeah, I just thought like the guitar was just a tiny quiet, but I think it's just because there is so much bass up here.
Okay, I mean,
Right.
I can definitely give a little more guitar to the wedges.
Okay.
Should help. And, all right, do you want me to play that intro?
Yeah.
And I'm going to spin it up so there's a little bit in those wedges as well.
Okay. So Jordan, you know what to do, right?
Are you gonna do the roll on the second bell, or do you just want to play
You're gonna play like you did, so after the second bell,
after the second
start.
bell and just start?
Yeah. If you don't get the open D,
Yeah, don't worry
open.
about that, you get the, what's that?
Because
Because the next bell, you're probably gonna rush the next bell. So. Gong, that'll keep you on time. Don't worry about hitting the open D, let the bell do its job.
Right.
Cool, you guys ready?
Yep.
All right.
It's fun.
All
All right, cool, thank